have this.
Yeah, we have Oreo little chip.
No, it's chips.
Here's our enemy.
Here's chips. 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 Mukbang. No. And then let's eat this. Let's try. Try this.
Okay. This is the Graham sandwich we uploaded like a few minutes ago. Let's eat it.
Mmm.
Here is our sorry, but let's see our Eloise toys.
Okay. My favorite.
Show it to the.
Look.
This is thing we bought from Shopee. It's very cheap price at only 100 plus pesos.
Let's eat it. No, like this.
This is Eloise's bus. As you can see, she bought it at Toys R Us.
But this is my nail.
We're doing a video.
Look, we have your nails.
Show it to the people.
When they have.
This is Eloise and Khalid's favorite book.
And this.
This is the one that she got on her birthday.
It's Mia.
Huh?
Mia.
Wow, sana all.
So
that's all the toys we did for
and also we have my birthday. It's May. Are you excited for my birthday again?
Yeah.
My mama's birthday. That's time
On May, we will do a special YouTube video, so stay tuned for it.